much do you want to bet the Audi is going to go all the way down and then cut it? Oh, look, I was correct. Didn't even get to finish what I was saying. Knew what that cunt was going to do. Thinks he's special. Fucking twat. Oh, wow. Just weave across, mate, and go through the light. Yes, 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 aren't you a prick? And you're on your phone as well, aren't you an arsehole? You also went... The fuck is wrong with you? Oh, you fucking arsehole! See the first dickhead on the right running through the light and stop, and then this idiot. Fucking pricks. Oh wow, what a fucking prick. What a fucking colossal piece of shit. The fuck? You stupid fucking thing! The fuck? Stupid, shitty auto brake. I can see the vehicle in front. I know I'm not going to hit it. Useless fucking thing. Cunt! Fucking cunt. Oh, you fucking wanker. Thank you, fuck nugget. The fuck are you doing? Fucking idiot. Really, mate? Really? Really? Fucking hell. Fucking idiot. You've got a red light for a reason, you thick cunt. Swat. No. What a prick. The fuck are you doing? Of all the places you could stop, you stopped right across a fucking junction. You thick cunt. Mate, how far over do you want to come? Dickhead! Come on, Dorothy. I can't get out if you're there. Over here. Oi. Come on, love. Please go somewhere. I'd like to leave this parking space. I'm trying not to be too much of a dick, because it is an old lady, but you just I think I've confused her by wanting her to move so I can leave the parking space. No, that's still in the way, darling. I don't want to hit the nice Focus ST next to me. My car isn't small. There we go. Thank you. The fuck? The bus nearly hit the Uber. Twat. Absolute twat. Stay in your fucking lane, dickhead. Oh wow, what a wanker. I don't know if I can go in there. What the fuck? Why is the bus doing a U-turn? What is this? Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you for that. Fucking dickhead. You could have waited. Fucking hell. That's interesting, that car making a right turn there when the traffic lights say straight only and the police car just drives right past them. Isn't that their job, to stop that sort of thing? I don't know, that sounds like I'm getting into an anti-police thing. I'm not, I'm just... Surely that's right in front of them, they could sort it out. You fucking blind? Cunt. Something's telling me that that was a red light when the bus was going across it. But obviously it's a bus, so he doesn't give a shit. I really hope the camera caught that, because that was fucking close. Fuck. Right, this car in front made a right turn when they're not meant to. No. No. One way. Dumbass.